ngayon, pupunta kami sa Paralan. Yun. Sisunduin ko sila, Roan, Jiren. Kaya, ito po si Jiren. Yan po. And then, yan po si Roan. Okay, pakilala ka naman, Roan.
I am Roana Diladjong from Campus 5. Oh my gosh. Here you go.
Ikaw, magpakilala ka, Jiren.
Hi, I'm Jaren.
Ay. This is my look now. This is my look. Hey. So, ngayon, susundin po natin si Abigail.
Yes.
So, let's go.
Here you go.
Ay! Ay! Salamat!
Let's sundo Abigail.
Abigail, where are you now? Abigail!
May gogi, buntis niya po sa dak.
Oo, buntis. Ay. Sinabi ko kadi kay Kelson na kwan, hintayin, ay, pumunta siya sa bahay niyo.
Ano na ganda ko. May kalamot lang nga, EJ ko. EJ Facebook mo. This is Damay Aru. Hey. And we are susunduin Abigail for today's video. And the cat is Bontes. Ting-ning-ning-ning-ning-ning-ning-ning. Hi! Oh my God, where are you, signal? And this is the wisdom. Ay, padasok man, nagsukit yung And there are tree here, and there's lokban there. And there's a house over there, and there's a lokban over there. See that lokban? And it's very giving na pag naan is narinisan, but not that clean. And there's a bantay here, but it's just like kalbo. I will gonna show you something here. It's very, very beautiful. This is, and it's .I6 for today. It's look like this now.